Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to see how you can use table of contents in Word. This is going to be made so easy by Word with just a few clicks of the button, and you can have your table of contents updated or formed up even if you didn't have in the beginning. So of course we're going to go to Word and we're going to open up a document that has a few headings. So this is a document that I have. You're going to go to references and you're going to go to table of contents and you're going to choose the automatic one, and as you can see it already brings some of the headings that I have in this document and it puts them into a table of contents, and you can change the styles in any form that you want. So you can just tap on that and then you can update, use per page or the entire document. So I'm going to change, you can change the different styles of the table of contents, but we're going to go with the first one. So going back, I am going to change to the first automatic table that only has contents, and this table of contents works together with headings, and the headings are going to be found in home, and you can choose any style that you want your table of contents to be in. So I'm going to choose the middle one. This kind of has a bigger font, and there you go. That is how you can just create a table of contents and use it so easily in Word. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like to this video if you really enjoyed it and got something from it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.